Welcome! If you're looking for a way to keep your Instagram notifications a bit more private, especially those photos of you alerts, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide Instagram photos of you notification content from appearing on your lock screen. This is perfect if you want to keep your social life a little more discreet, or simply avoid unwanted previews popping up when your phone is locked. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings. This is where you control most of your phone's privacy and notification options. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list and select Instagram. Once you're inside the Instagram app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can customize exactly how and when Instagram can alert you. Now, under the Instagram notification settings, find the option labeled Photos of You. This is the specific notification category that alerts you when someone tags you in a photo. Tap on it to open more detailed settings. Here's the important part. Tap on Lock Screen. This will bring up a few different options for how you want these notifications to appear when your phone is locked. Select Hide Content. This setting ensures that even if you get a notification about being tagged in a photo, the actual content of the notification won't show up on your lock screen. Instead, you'll just see that you have a notification, but the details will stay hidden until you unlock your device. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your Instagram photos of you notifications private, making sure no one else can sneak a peek at your lock screen alerts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out our other privacy tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly protected notifications.